Hey there. Ready to take control of your investments with one of the most respected names in finance? Opening a Schwab brokerage account online is your first step toward a powerful investing platform. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to get started. Visit schwab.com and click Open an account. You'll choose your account type, like an individual brokerage account. The application asks for standard personal, financial, and employment information. You'll also need your social security number and driver's license handy. Schwab has no minimum to open, so you can start with any amount. The entire process takes about 10 to 15 minutes online. My crucial pro tip? Apply for checking account features during setup. Even if you don't plan to use it immediately, getting the Schwab Bank Investor Checking attached to your brokerage account from day one gives you premium banking benefits with no fees or minimums. Just like that, you've unlocked a world of investing and banking tools. Is Schwab your first brokerage, or are you moving from another platform? Let me know in the comments. If guides that open financial doors help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.